Today we'll discuss on how to prepare that growing medium so that you can start your uh, so that it will be begin easy for the beginners to how to prepare that growing medium. First, what we need to do is we have to take a bucket of water where we need to put that all that cocoa paste to first clean that. You have to just rinse the cocoa pit once, so that all that salt content present in this cocoa pit will be able to clean it. Now we have cleaned all that cocoa pit. Now what we need to do is we need to fill that half of the grow bag with cocoa pit. I'll show you. So this is that medium size grow bag which I have used. So for the beginners we can first start with this. Don't buy this costly grow bag. Just start with this medium less prices. So that once you are once you get comfortable with this terrace gardening, then you can start buying this high density polyethylene bag. This is low density polyethylene bag. This is medium size. This cost of this one is 25 rupees. So set this up. Then we have to fill this with half of this cocoa pit which you have. So now we have filled this half of this thing is with this one. Next what we have to do is now we have to prepare that all that mixture. So next thing what we have to do is what we have to take is, so the mixture combination is 2 parts of cocoa pit, then 2 parts of manure. So today goat manure, then 1 part of soil. So buy the soil from, take the soil from your nearby farming area, wherever the farm is good, right? So take from there only. Now I'll be adding this goat milk. So once you have added this, take all this unnecessary, if there is any stones or something, right, just remove it. Mix properly. See all this unwanted waste, right, just remove from. So now after mixing, we can fill this bag. Now after filling this, don't fill this bag completely, because after you water this, after you put the seeds, right, you have to have some water, you have to have some gap, 2-inch gap, so that whenever you pour the water, it doesn't come outside. So just leave some 2-inch gap on top, so that it will be easy for watering the plants. So now we'll place this, we'll remove this, we'll place it in the place. One second. Something below this grow bag, because in case of if heavy more water, when you pour more water, right, it will come out of this bag. So if you place the bag directly on top of this roof, right, so the water will not get dried up. So soon, right, that our floor will get damaged. So I recommend everyone to keep something or the other in below this. So we can add some more here. So these two are this spinaches which I have planted 3 days back. It has started coming out. I'll show you next week, 1 week I'll show you how it is growing. I'll show you the progress. So everything I prepared is in the same method. So next what we will do is we need to plant the seeds. Okay, so I've got our seeds here. So today what we can add is these are all spinaches. So today I'll be seedling one more spinach. So how we can do this? Do the seedling is first put small lines here and here. So we can put the seedlings in. So take some and just gradually put it. That's it. Now just simply close it. Don't put that mixture and press it. Just simply close it. So it's done. Don't press too hard. Let it be like this. Just simply move this, close this, then add water. Which I have collected. Everything is native seeds. So don't directly pour the water, just simply get it in our hand, just pour. Even when watering for the next time, right, don't simply pour the water directly. Just keep your hand in like this, just simply pour, like gently. That's it. I hope you have got this, how to prepare this growing medium. Please share your thoughts and comments so that I can see and get back to you. Thank you. Have a great day.